Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In the previous video we have learned that how to add the first element in the array, and in this video we will learn that how can we remove the first element from an array. So basically to do that, array provides us a prototype method which is called .shift. What .shift will do, basically it will remove the first index from an array. For example, I have an array of numbers 1 2 3 4 5, and what I want to do, I want to remove the first element from this array list. So to do that, I can just call the shift method on this array. Now if I come over here and console.log the array, as you can see that R1 has been removed from this list. And what it will do, if I come over here and const first equal to arr first, as you can see that we are also getting the number which we have just removed from our array list. So if you want to remove any first element from an array, then you can use the unshift method. I have done here over with the numbers. You can do with the strings or object as well. If you will use the .shift method, it will remove the first element. So this is all from this video. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.